Hey everybody, this is Chris. I wanted to make a special video for all the viewers of my channel from India because right now about 73% of all my viewers are from India. And recently I posted a video called British Accent Tips for Indian English Speakers. And I really want to apologize for some of the things that I said in that video and the way that I said them because I know I did it in a really bad way and I apologize for that. My original intention with posting that video was to give tips for people who are interested in the British accent, specifically modern received pronunciation, especially people who might be working or traveling in the UK or maybe work with people from the UK and who are interested in this accent. However, I got the tone of the video wrong. I referred to mistakes that Indian English speakers make, and I talked about trying to help people to correct mistakes, which wasn't the right way to say it. And I also referred to Indian English speakers, which was a gross generalization. I know that there is a lot of diversity in India. People speak so many different languages, sometimes 4 or 5 languages, like Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Urdu, and other languages. And each language has its own characteristics and its own unique phonology. So different people speak in different ways. I understand that. And I did use the example of Shraddha Kapoor in the video, although I was just trying to give an example of the intonation that a lot of Indian English speakers have. I certainly wasn't trying to roast her, and I even said that this is a part of Indian English and you might not want to change this, right? But I do like her, in fact, and I like the way that she speaks. That's why I put her in the thumbnail to the video as well. So it's not my intention to tell Indians that you need to change your accent or anything like that, or to say that the way you speak is wrong. In fact, I do believe that there are no incorrect or wrong accents. There are only different accents, right? And I do respect Indian English and the way that Indians speak. Whether or not something is a mistake depends on what you see as correct. In the case of English, there are a lot of different accents in the world. I know that Indian English is an accepted type of English as well, and it's spoken by billions of people, and it's also a correct standard, right? But what I referred to as mistakes would only be mistakes if you are talking about comparing it to received pronunciation in the UK. So be aware of that. And the accent that you speak with is a part of your identity. And it's good to be proud of your identity, I think. Even if you live in the UK, you shouldn't feel pressure to change the way you speak or speak in a different way, unless you want to, of course. The videos on my channel are only designed to give tips on one specific accent, which is received pronunciation, the accent that's used by a lot of people in the south of the UK. And I do teach English, and I teach English expressions as well on my channel to learners from all over the world. And I understand that some people may be interested in this accent and some people aren't. And that's fine as well. It's a personal decision. But even if you're not interested in modern received pronunciation, I still hope that you find my videos interesting and maybe you can learn something along the way. If not, if you don't like them, then you can also check out some content from other creators such as Alina Rais and other creators that people who have watched my videos have also enjoyed. And I really hope that you will forgive my insensitivity in that video. I wasn't intending to come across in that way, and I apologize for that. I will be changing the way that I speak in future new videos that I make. And by the way, I haven't taken that video down yet because even though I didn't say things in the best way, I still think that some people might find it useful. And if you've seen it already, I hope you found it interesting in some way. And by the way, many viewers also pointed out the fact that I don't speak Hindi, which is true, but I do speak Chinese fluently, so you can see me speaking Chinese in some of my other videos. And I love to travel to different countries as well. I haven't visited India before, but I would love to visit India when I get the chance as well. So that's all I've got to say in this video. If you've subscribed to my channel already or watched my videos, then I really want to thank you for your support, and I'm going to be posting some more English learning videos really soon, so I hope you'll find them useful as well. So lastly, I want to say I love you, stay safe, stay healthy, and speak to you really soon. Take care, everybody.